Hello guys, are you tired of studying for hours only to forget everything the next day? Do you feel like you're just not cut out for academic success? Well, let me tell you, you're not alone. Many students struggle with retaining information after studying. But the good news is there are ways to overcome this. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 effective techniques that helps you remember what you study. So sit tight and get ready to prepare for your next exam. Tip number 1, organize your study material. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of material to cover, it can make studying seem impossible. That's why organizing your study material is crucial. Taking notes, creating summaries, and breaking down complex concepts into smaller pieces makes studying less overwhelming and helps you understand and remember the material better. When you have a better grasp on what you're studying, you are more likely to remember it long term. So take the time to organize your material and create a roadmap for your learning journey. Tip number 2, use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are techniques that helps you remember information by associating it with someone else. For example, you could use a acronym to remember a list of items or use a rhyme to remember a concept. Tip number 3, repeat information out loud. Do you ever find yourself reading the same sentence over and over again, struggling to commit it to your memory? It turns out that repeating information out loud can actually help you remember it better. When you say something out loud, you're engaging both your visual and auditory senses, which can help improve your retention. Plus, the act of speaking forces you to pay closer attention to the information, making it more likely to stick in your memory. Another way to solidify the information in your mind is to explain it to someone else. This is not only helps you remember the information, but it also helps you to understand it better. When you can explain a concept in your own words, it shows that you truly grasp the material. So the next time you're struggling to remember something, try repeating it out loud or explaining it to another friend. Not only will it improve your retention, but it will also help you understand the material better overall. Now coming to the tip number 4, making connections. One of the effective ways to improve your learning and retention is to make connections between the information you're studying and things you already know. This could involve drawing upon personal experience or relating the information to concepts you have learned in a different subject. By making these connections, you are able to create a deeper understanding of the material and retain it more easily. So the next time you're studying, try to actively look for ways to connect what you're learning to your existing knowledge and see how it can enhance your learning experience. Now, tip number 5, use visual aids. Have you ever heard the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words"? When it comes to studying, this could not be more true. Using visual aids such as diagrams, charts, and graphs can make a world of difference in understanding and remembering information. Visual aids are particularly useful when it comes to complex topics that are difficult to understand through words alone. For example, a diagram can help you understand the inner working for a complex system or process, while a graph can help you visualize data and trends. But you don't have to rely on pre-made visual aids alone. Creating your own can be just as effective, if not more so. By creating your own diagrams, charts, and graphs, you're essentially creating a personalized learning tool that speaks to your individual learning style. So the next time you're struggling to understand or remember a complex concept, try incorporating visual aids into your studying material. Whether you're using pre-made diagrams or creating your own visual aids can be a powerful tool in your learning arsenal. Now coming to the tip number 6, take breaks. It's not a secret that studying for long periods of a time can be exhausting. Not only can it be mentally draining, but it can also be a counterproductive when it comes to retaining information. That's why taking breaks during study session is so important. Research has shown that taking short breaks during study session can actually improve your retention of information. This is because taking breaks helps refresh your mind and prevent burnout. When you return to studying after a break, you'll be more focused and alert, making it easier to absorb and remember information. It's recommended to study for 30 to 45 minutes and then take a 5 to 10 minutes break before resuming. During that break, try to do something that relaxes you, such as taking a short walk or stretching. It could be helping you to get more focused on your studying. Number 7, get enough sleep. We have all heard the phrase, you snooze, you lose. But when it comes to studying and memory retention, the opposite is actually true. Getting enough restful sleep is crucial for consolidating information in your memory, especially during exam season. During sleep, your brain processes and stores new information, making it easier and retrieve and remember later on. Without enough sleep, your brain doesn't have the time or energy it needs to properly consolidate memories, which can lead to forgetfulness and decreased performance on exams. So it's important to prioritize getting enough sleep, especially during exam season. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night and try to establish a consistent sleep routine. Avoid studying right before bed, as this can interface with your ability to fall asleep. Remember, getting enough sleep isn't just important for your physical health, but it's also crucial for your academic success. So don't neglect the power of a good night rest when it comes to studying and retaining information. Now coming to the tip number 8, test yourself. Have you ever found yourself studying for hours on end only to realize later that you don't actually remember much of what you read? It's a frustrating feeling, but there is a solution: testing yourself. Testing yourself on the material you have studied can help you identify areas where you need to improve. It's a way to actively engage with the material and reinforce your understanding. This could involve taking practice tests, creating flashcards, or even teaching the material to someone else. When you test yourself, you're forcing your brain to retrieve information from memory, which strengthens the neural pathways associated with the information. The more you retrieve information, the easier it becomes to remember it in the future. So don't be afraid to test yourself as you study. It might be uncomfortable or even intimidating at first, but it's a powerful tool for improving your retention and understanding for the material. And who knows, you might even surprise yourself with how much you actually remember. Now coming to the tip number 9, use spaced repetition. Have you ever crammed for an exam only to forget everything you learned just a few days later? It's a common problem, but there's a solution of it. That's a spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a technique that involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. The idea is that by spacing out your review session, you are reinforcing the neural pathways associated with that information over time. This makes it easier to remember the information in the long term. For example, you could review a concept the day after you learn it, then a week later, and then a month later. By spacing out your review session like this, you're giving your brain the opportunity to strengthen its connections to the information. So if you want to remember what you study for the long term, try incorporating spaced repetition into your study routine. It might require a bit more planning and organization, but it's all powerful technique that can be pay off in the end. So coming to the last tip, stay engaged. Now, if you feel bored or disinterested in the material, it can be challenging to retain information and perform well on exams or assignments. To combat this, try to find ways to make the material more engaging and relevant to your interest or daily life. This can include connecting the material to real-world examples, participating in class discussions, or creating visual aids to help you understand the concept better. Remember, the more engaged you are, the easier it will be to learn and succeed in your studies. So guys, these were actually our 10 effective techniques that helps you remember what you study. And thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you find these study tips helpful and informative. Remember, studying doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right techniques and mindset, you can make it an enjoyable and productive experience. Whether you're studying for an exam or just trying to improve your knowledge, these tips can help you get there. So go ahead and put them into practice, and I'm sure you'll see the great results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Good luck with your studies.